I am Muhammad Asif. Welcome to watch my channel Special Learning Point on YouTube. Today I am going to talk about the subject pronoun and the auxiliary verb. I know most of the literate people know very well about the subject pronoun, but the question is, do you know about the subject pronoun and the auxiliary verb in sign language, that how to sign or how to express the subject pronoun in sign language? So today my topic is to deliver the subject pronoun and the auxiliary verb in sign language. Let's start. I, I, we, they, you. I, we, they, you. Now auxiliary verb which are used with I, we, they, you. I am, I am, I have, I have, I have been, I have been, I had, I had, I had been, we are, we have, we have, we have been, we have been, we had been, we had been, they are, they are, they have, they have, they have been, they had been, they had been, you are, you are, you have, you have, you have been, you have been, you had, you had, you had been. I well, I well, I shall, I shall, we well, they well, they well, you well, you well, he, he, he is, he has, he has been, he had been, he had been, she is, she has, she has, she has been, she had been, she is, she has, she has been, she has been, she had been, she had been, at is, at is, at has, at has been, at had been, at had been. These are the subject pronoun and the helping verb which I have delivered in sign language. So you sign it again because practice makes a man perfect. At the end of the lecture, you are requested to subscribe my channel and share it to your near and dear friend and colleagues also. Goodbye.